Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is climate, class 9th geography, chapter number 4. Before going through the chapter, we have to understand some geographical terms, or in order to understand the climate of India, we must know what these geographical terms mean. Number 1, climate. Climate is the average weather conditions of a large duration, generally more than 30 years in India. Number 2, season. The predominance of an element of weather, such as temperature, rainfall, cloudiness, over a period of a few months is called season. Number 3, weather. The atmospheric conditions of a certain place for a certain period, such as air pressure, temperature, wind speed, wind direction, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, is termed as weather. Number 4, monsoon winds. The complete reversal of seasonal winds causing variations in season is called monsoon winds. Reversal means change their direction with change in season. Number 5, climatic divide. The predominant land feature which divides the climates of the regions on its both sides is known as climatic divide. For example, the Himalayas mountain wall acts as a climatic divide between India and Central Asia. Number 6, tropical climate. What does the tropical climate mean? By the tropical climate, we mean the climate found in tropical zone, extending between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, between 23 degree 30 minutes north and 23 degree 30 minutes south is called tropical climate. For example, the equatorial climate, hot desert climate, savanna climate. Number 7, trade winds. Trade winds are planetary winds blowing constantly from the subtropical high pressure zones towards the equatorial low pressure zones. Their direction is from northeast to southwest in the north hemisphere and from southeast to northwest in the south hemisphere. Number 8, subtropical high pressure zone. The high pressure zone found near 30 degree north and south latitudes in both the hemispheres is the subtropical high pressure belt or high pressure zone. Number 9. Intertropical Convergence Zone (ITCZ) is a broad trough of low pressure found near the equator between 5 degrees north and south latitudes. Here, northeast and southeast trade winds converge. Monsoon trough. The intertropical convergence zone, when moved northwards in summer and is established north of 25 degrees north, is called monsoon trough. Next, jet streams. The streams of intensely speedy winds flowing from west to east in the upper layers of the troposphere, 12,000 meters at the height of 12,000 meters, are termed as jet streams. Number 12. Cyclones. Cyclones are the speedy wind arrangements having low pressure at their center and the wind is moving toward the center from outside. Number 13. Burst or break of monsoons. Burst or break of the monsoon is sudden setting in of rainfall. The rainfall without warning. This occurs when the monsoon branches and the jet streams come into contact with each other all of a sudden. It is called as burst or break of monsoon. Number 14. Western disturbance. Western disturbances are the moisture-laden cyclones originating over the Mediterranean Sea, which reach India through Iran, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, and cause winter rains in the northwestern parts of India. Number 15. Loo. Loo are strong, gusty, hot, and dry winds blowing during the day over north and northwestern India during summers. Next, cold wave. The extreme cold weather conditions in winter over the North Plains when temperatures fall below 5 degrees centigrade is known as cold wave. Mango showers. The pre-monsoon showers occurring on the coastal regions of Kerala and Karnataka, which help early ripening of mango fruit, are called mango showers. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today